So today I'll be showing you how to reset your Samsung Smart TV's solar remote. Now to do this, you're going to do an unpairing and then repairing process. So to unpair this remote from your TV, press and hold these two buttons. That's the return button and the play pause button simultaneously. So this button and this button. So press and hold. You should see a light blinking, a red light. And that means the remote is now unpaired. Now to repair, just press any button on the remote and it's going to attempt to connect to your smart remote. And once it's paired, again, you should see the animation on the screen and the remote should start working once again. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.